Decentralized Finance, DeFi in 2022. How to get started. At the core of cryptocurrency lies a fantastic history of invention that dates back to the 1980s. There have been other events that influenced the crypto sector since then, with the creation of the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, being most notable. But that's history now. You'll be glad to know that there's another boat that hasn't sailed yet. If you missed out on investing in cryptocurrencies, fear not. There are still opportunities for you to grow your money without having to bet on risky assets. But first, hello and welcome back to the channel, MoneyIQ. And we're back with another video about the world of finances. We're bringing you content about your best financial infos, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of each new upload. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button too. DeFi is an umbrella term for a multitude of apps and initiatives that are aimed at changing the traditional financial industry. We know you're curious. That's why today we'll be sharing everything we know about it with you. Buckle up as we give you the ultimate DeFi guide on how to get started in DeFi this 2022. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is a term used to refer to financial goods and services that are available to anybody who has access to the internet. With DeFi, the markets are always accessible, and there are no centralized authorities that can refuse you access to anything nor limit the payments that you make. Services that were formerly sluggish and susceptible to human mistakes are now automated and safer since they are handled by codes that anybody can view and analyze. For the first time, DeFi is providing goods and solutions that allow anybody in the globe to utilize complex financial applications with minimum cash and without the need to rely on a single central authority. So, how did DeFi start? It all started with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was, in many respects, the first DeFi application to be developed. Bitcoin allows you to really own and manage your wealth, as well as transfer it to anyone, anywhere in the world. It facilitates the transfer on a ledger of accounts, called a blockchain network, without the need for a third-party mediator. And that's the best part. Bitcoin is available to anybody, and no one has the ability to modify its operating rules or restrictions. It's not like conventional finance, in which governments may create money, depreciate its value, and firms can shut down markets anytime if they deem necessary. So, how exactly does DeFi work? As we have said before, DeFi is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform that provides services that do not need third-party institutions like banks. Since your money goes through them, it's only safe to assume that they gain power over your finances. Now, we don't want that, do we? In DeFi, financial institutions are replaced by smart contracts, which makes the transaction more efficient. A smart contract is a form of Ethereum account that may store money and transmit or repay them according to the criteria that are met. When a smart contract is in effect, no one can make any changes to it. It will always operate in the manner it was intended. A contract that is intended to provide allowances or pocket money might be configured to transfer money from an account to another account on a weekly basis. And it will only ever do so for as long as the account where the transfer was made from has the necessary funds to support the transaction. Trying to add another account so that you can steal funds? Smart contracts won't let you. These contracts are also made available to the public for inspection and audit by anyone who wants to do so. This means that faulty contracts will often come under criticism from the community. Even when you are not planning to buy or own Bitcoin, why should you care about DeFi? A societal shift away from conventional banking and toward DeFi would entail a significant change in the manner in which we interact with different types of currencies. To picture it better, we know that traditionally, numerous third parties are engaged in your financial transactions. If you want to store your cash, you often opt for banking institutions for safekeeping. If you want to send money to your friends or family, you will still go through online banks to facilitate the transfer. These procedures are often time-consuming, and their use might be costly due to the fact that they often include transaction charges. Unlike traditional networks, DeFi does not have the problems or difficulties that we have come to expect. With DeFi, financial services are allowed to function in a digital format that is completely open, borderless, publicly accessible, and transparent. And needless to say, you should care because this is most likely the future of finance. Good day, mate! We've made it halfway through our list, and we sincerely hope you've enjoyed it thus far. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and turn on notifications to be notified of new uploads. What do you think of the things you've learned so far? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. Let's move forward with the video. So, you want to try this DeFi thing out? Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Set up a wallet that supports Ethereum. First and foremost, get a wallet that supports Ethereum and is capable of connecting to numerous DeFi protocols via your web browser. If you don't know any, MetaMask is actually a popular option among users. Step 2. Buy the necessary coins. The next step that you have to do is to purchase the appropriate currency for the DeFi protocol that you want to utilize. Because most DeFi protocols are now hosted on Ethereum, you'll need to purchase either ETH or an ERC20 currency in order to utilize them. To utilize Bitcoin, you'll need to trade it for an ETH version such as wrapped BTC. Step 3. Join the game. Now that you've set up your wallet and acquired the necessary coins, you may start exploring DeFi. If you don't know where to start, don't worry. That's what we're here for. There are several ways in how you can utilize DeFi given the plethora of services that they offer. One option is to lend your cryptocurrency to others, using Yearn.finance, which compiles all of the greatest deals in one convenient location. It is a straightforward method to find out how to obtain the best bargain. With this, you can start earning governance tokens that are granted to yield farmers for lending out their cryptocurrency. If you want to know how much you can earn through yield farming, you access websites such as yieldfarming.info to get the information that you need. If you don't find the two suitable for you, there's a third option. You may put your money into one of the more experimental and bizarre DeFi initiatives such as Based Money, whose token price rebases on a daily basis, causing the price of the token to fluctuate. You can also do this using one of the popular varieties of volatile meme currencies such as Yam, Tendies, Kimchi, and so on. But with crypto being a dangerous space, how can you stay safe? Well, before utilizing a DeFi program, you should check to see whether it has been audited. Triple-digit annual percentage yields, or APYs, aren't unheard of in DeFi, all thanks to yield farming. However, if they seem too good to be true, make sure to look into it first. There's no denying that crypto and DeFi are the talk of the internet nowadays, but you should be aware of both the benefits and the drawbacks before getting started. So, are you willing to take the risk? That concludes today's video. We hope you've enjoyed this one, so please subscribe to the channel and enable alerts to be notified of new uploads. This is MoneyIQ, and we'll see you in our next video. Have a good day.